Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to download Davinci Resolve in Windows 11. You're going to open your browser and in the search bar, search for Davinci Resolve. Now you might find this result named Blackmagic Design, and this is because Blackmagic Design owns Davinci Resolve. So we're going to click on Davinci Resolve 19 Blackmagic Design. It's going to take us to this page where we can scroll down to find Davinci Resolve free download now, and you also have the Davinci Resolve Studio buy online now at a certain price. So we're going to click on Davinci Resolve download now, and you have two options. Once again, you have Davinci Resolve 19 and Davinci Resolve Studio. Since we want to download Davinci Resolve 19, you're going to go ahead and click on what applies to you. You have Mac OS, Linux, Windows 86, and Windows ARM. Whichever applies to you, go ahead and click on it and the download will begin. The process of installation is pretty straightforward, and you can have your Davinci Resolve after downloading and installing it. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.